Welcome back, everybody. Our damp and dreary weather continued into this morning. Much of what we saw this weekend continued into the day. But we are seeing the clouds break up that rain just a little bit. Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin is looking at the numbers, though, and we are in for quite a rainy stretch.
Yeah, we still think we've got another couple of days where we may get some rain. And while not the wettest stretch of the year by rainfall amounts, we are experiencing one of the wettest periods of the year by another measure. And that is days in a row with measurable rain in Austin. So officially today through 7 this morning, so this is not including anything that's fallen since, we've had another 1/100th of an inch of rain. So for the month, we're a little over an inch, but still about 1/3 of an inch shy of the amount of rain that we should have had so far month to date. And then year to date, we're missing almost 7 inches of rain. But this year, regardless of whether we get any rain or not from now through the end of the month, will end up the wettest year since 2021. So we've made some improvements over the last couple of years, but we still need more. You can see where the rain has come from so far this month. A couple of days in a row of wet weather, followed by another couple, but we are now in 4 days in a row of measurable rain in Austin, which you may think, oh, okay. What does that mean? Who cares, right? Well, it's actually our second longest wet stretch of the whole year. The longest stretch was back in January. If you remember, January was particularly wet. We got more than 5 inches of rain in January. A lot of it came during this stretch from the 21st through the 25th. But then here we are, second wettest stretch of the year through today. December 13th through today, we've had 4 days of measurable rain in Austin at Camp Mabry, and all you need for measurable rain is 1/100th of an inch of rain. And that yet there is the potential that we can continue this stretch into tomorrow and then possibly even Wednesday if the rain falls in the right places, which would make it our longest stretch of wet weather of the whole year. Still not anticipating the amounts add up to much. This is how it looks in downtown Austin from our Estonian weather camera, where we're still at a very warm 78 degrees. I know it's muggy, but this is still decent weather to be out and about doing some things in the early evening before the drizzle starts to make a return, and we think that it will. A lot of low clouds over us right now, mixed in with the sunshine. Of course, the sun sets just after 5:30 in the evening now. Not a whole lot showing up on radar just yet, but as that sun sets, the dew point and the temperature start to come closer together and eventually almost meet, and that's going to result in more drizzle making a return. At the same time, there's a cold front draped across parts of the hill country that may also generate a few spotty showers. Now, you may be thinking, wow, that front's pretty close by. When's it going to move through? It's not going to move through the rest of central Texas. It's basically stalling where it is now, and then we'll lift a little farther north as a warm front here tomorrow. But while it's nearby, it may produce a few spotty showers, mostly in the hill country here this evening. And then as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, not only will we have those shower chances, but also the potential for some drizzle into the metro as well. Likely our eastern counties will end up being some of the drier places. Not only drizzle, by the way, but areas of fog develop overnight into tomorrow morning, along with a couple of showers. But just like today, we'll slowly dry out through the day, bringing more sun here for the afternoon here tomorrow. And that should push temperatures way up into the upper 70s to near 80. Then low clouds and drizzle come back for Wednesday morning, just ahead of a cold front that will also bring increasing shower chances. Don't expect much rain with this, but this cold front will move through, bringing scattered showers Wednesday morning. But this front clears the area by about midday, and then the sunshine comes back out here for Wednesday afternoon. So when you add up the drizzle and the showers, look, most of us get just 1/10 of an inch or less of rain here through Wednesday. There may be some localized higher amounts if we could manage a stray thunderstorm. Of course, temperatures and the humidity is the other story. We're well into the 70s outside now. We'll only drop down to 62 by tomorrow morning, and then we're up to 79 here tomorrow afternoon. So oh so close to 80. But that cold front Wednesday morning will knock the highs on Wednesday down to 68, 66 Thursday, and 64 on Friday. And as far as relief from the humidity goes, we're going to get that too as that cold front therefore comes through Wednesday morning, knocking down the humidity, and we're going to be back to comfortable air again as we head through the end of the week and into the weekend. So some areas of drizzle and fog tonight, and even a few showers, overnight lows in the low 60s, and a few showers, drizzle, and areas of fog in the morning tomorrow will give way to some afternoon sun and a high of 79. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So those showers on Wednesday are mostly focused in on the morning. Then the sun comes out for the afternoon, but it will be breezy. Sunny Thursday, 66, 64 Friday, and then the temperatures start to slowly climb as we get into early next week, back to 70 by Monday.